how to make notification pop with color by keyword on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notifications, click on Notification Pop-up Style and click on Color by Keyword. After click on Color by Keyword, so you will see if you want to make notification color by keyword, so you will see. And click on plus, you will see color keyword is add. If you want to remove, click on this minus icon, you will see add from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make notification pop with color by keyword on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.